Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you. In today's video we'll be making red velvet cake, and this recipe is so simple to make. So here we have my recipe. I have my sugar, my flour, cocoa powder, flavor, baking powder, baking soda, my egg, buttermilk and oil. So yeah, this is me breaking the eggs. Break the eggs and make sure that the eggs are good eggs and not ones that are spoiled. Okay, mix. I added my sugar here. You mix your egg. You won't mix your egg too much. Just have to mix a little bit, then add your sugar, then you mix it until it's incorporated. I added my oil here since it's an oil-based cake, so it mixed very well. That's my red velvet powder. I added it. You add it bit by bit to avoid too much red color. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, continue mixing. Add my flour. Mix it well so that there won't be lumps inside the batter. So that's my buttermilk. You add it bit by bit. You add a little bit of flour, you mix, then add a little bit of buttermilk. You do that continuously until you are exhausted on your buttermilk and flour. Enjoy my music as you pay attention to the steps in the video. This red velvet recipe is so simple to make. Okay, that's me adding my oil hot water. So I'm going to drop the recipe, the full recipe in the description, so just check it out to know the measurements of stuff you are going to use for your red velvet cake. Enjoy my music as you follow the video to the end. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. So your cakes are ready, so yummy. So I used a charcoal wood to bake this, so I guess that's why it's like that at the bottom. But trust me, the cake came out so nice. Look at that, it's so fluffy. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.